Hello mga ka-4 Seasons! Like, share, and subscribe my channel, The 4 Seasons Vlog. Mga ka-season, good morning! This is Foggy Morning! Oh, Foggy Morning with my husband. May lakad kami. Yan, Foggy
Off to Silver Dollar City.
Silver Dollar City. Foggy Morning, oh. Foggy Morning. Yan mga ka-season, it's a foggy morning. Sobra talaga oh. Sobra talaga, Gabon. Sobra talaga ang Gabon. Oh. Yeah. Foggy morning. Punta kami ngayon sa Springfield. Silver Dollar City, Branson. We're going there in Branson today. It's a fun day today. Fun foggy day today. Yan oh mga ka-seasons oh. You can't believe early in the morning so foggy. Gabon. Daghan kayo Gabon. Oh. Magabon jud siya. Gabon oh. Pero murag wala pa may tao diri ka tikaw-tikaw oy, murag kami pa man. Wala gani sakyanan oh. Sayumi kaayo mang laag ni my love. Laag ni my love.
Love my love.
Love my love. Yan, tulog pa yung mga tao oh. Tulog na tulog pa sila. Wala pa yung nagtikaw-tikaw, mga balay oh. Nakasarado pa oh. Walay mga sakyanan. Walay nakakuan. Walay sakyanan sa dalanan. Naisa oh, padung. Naisa padung dito. Padung dito sa dulo. Yan. Foggy morning. Foggy morning. Foggy morning. Yan mga ka-season. Punta kami ng Branson today. Yan. Dito na kami, on the way na kami papuntang Branson. Dumaan lang yung asawa ko dito sa Harps kasi bibili kami ng ano. Bibili kami ng yellow. Ice cubes. Bili kami ng ice cubes. Lagay diyan sa pagkain namin sa likod. Nagbaon kasi kami ng pagkain para makatipid. Oo, totoo. Dapat magbabaon talaga kaysa kakain sa labas para makatipid sa budget. Yan, tamang pagbabudget, kailangan wise, hindi kailangan kumain sa mamahalin na restaurant. Pwede naman kung may extra money, pero sa panahon ngayon kasi sobrang mahal na talaga, kailangan talaga magtipid. Since may pagkain naman sa bahay, babaonin na lang. Tapos mamamasyal. Okay. Sobrang okay. Di ba? May tubig, may pagkain. Malingaw pa ka. Makalingaw. Ma-enjoy pa ka sa imong pamamasyal. Di ba? Di ba mga ka-seasons? Kaunti na lang yung Gabon sa gawas oh. Siguro uulan to. Ayan. Ganda ng dito, ganda ng view dito sa Harps. Yan oh. Marami na din na tao sa loob. Yung iba na Yan. Tao sa loob ng Harps. Kalimitan yung mga matatanda pumupunta diyan. Maaga sa Harps. Pero ito sa harap to ng Harps, hindi to sa hindi to sa loob. Sa labas ba ng Harps? Dito ako sa labas. Nantay ko yung asawa ko nandun sa loob. Ayan siya yung view dito sa labas. Ang view dito sa labas, mga ka-seasons. Oh. Sobrang ganda ng view dito. Makikita mo talaga ang Arkansas. Nature. More on nature sa Arkansas. Yan. Nature talaga tong Arkansas. Natural state. Arkansas. Natural state. Mga ka-season yung harps. Yan siya. Harps.
Harp.
Yeah, harps. We're on our way. Seasons, we're on our way in the foggy day. Fun day.
On the way to Silver Dollar City.
Silver Dollar City. It's a fun day.
It's a fun.
Yan, tingnan nyo yung tingnan nyo yung nasa labas. Sobrang talaga, magabon. Gabon sobra sa labas. Ayan. Kikita nyo yung sa labas. Foggy morning. Konti lang yung mga sasakyan. Konti lang yung mga sasakyan, mga ka-seasons. Yan. Malamig na umaga.
Foggy day.
Foggy day, malamig na umaga.
It is a foggy day.
People here are still sleeping, yeah?
Yeah.
They didn't wait out. Foggy day. Yan. Nakikita ko yung mga doon, oh. Mga kalabaw. Kalabaw. Baka, oh. Yan, yung mga baka, oh. Nandiyan sila. Naghanap buhay para makakain. Unsa ba, oy? Naghanap buhay para makakain. Maagang-maaga kumakain na sila. Kumakain na sila ng damo. Maagang-maaga. Yan. Anong sunod na lugar nito, my love? Next of this. Yan, nakikita nyo yan. May dyan, oh. May lion. So it means ang may-ari niyan Chinese. Ayan yung RV area sa kabila. Yan, naka-park yung mga RV. Yan, pinaparintahan nila yan yung RV. Pero yung mga tao dito, no, kasagaran sa mga tao dire, may RV talaga sila kasi pumupunta sila kung saan-saan. Yan. Mahal ng RV dito. Oh my gosh. RV parang din kasi yan, parang bahay na ba. Kaya very handy. Kung gusto ko ang mag-CR, meron na doon sa loob. So complete na yan yung RV na yan. Kaya yung mga tao, bumibili sila ng ganyan kasi mahilig sila mag-travel. Mahilig mag-travel. At saka yung mga tao dito may sasakyang pang river, pambot, mga tao dito kasi mahilig sila kasi madami kasing rivers and lakes dito sa Arkansas. Rivers and lakes in Arkansas, all natural state, kaya makikita nyo ganyan kasi talaga sila, ang lugar na to talaga yung mapuno, makahoy, kaya tinatawag na Arkansas the natural states. Ito yung Arkansas. Small population only ang Arkansas. Hindi siya crowded area ang Arkansas. Not crowded area. Yan, mga ka-seasons. Yan. Yan, mga ka-seasons. Dito na kami sa Casey. Iba-iba yung gasoline station. Yan, iba-iba. Yan. Yan, feed mill yan siya. Feed mill. Para sa turkey. Turkey farm. Yan, yung white na yan, oh. Yan. Ayan yung siya. Yan. Para sa turkey farm. Nice nga yung dalan. Yan yung mga baka sa gilid. Ayan, ayan sila. Ayan sila. Ayan sila, oh. Yan, train. Yan ang train. Para sa mga ano lang yan, yung mga train, yung train dito para sa mga produkto lang, hindi sa ano, hindi sasakyan ng tao. Hindi pampasaruan yung ano nila dito, yung train. Para sa mga kargamento lang, hatid doon pag maihatid sila. Ayan. Yung mga ano dito, oh, rock. Yan, ito, cemetery nila. Yan siya.
We're gonna need something to
Yan. McDonald.
like,
McDonald. Walang Jollibee dito, guys.
they're not very good either.
Walang Jollibee dito. McDo lang dito. McDo, KFC. Yan. Yan, mga kasison, stoplight. Stoplight yan.
Stoplight.
Yan, stoplight. Still foggy. Oh. Yan, sana makikita nyo talaga. Gabon pa. Napay Gabon. Yan. Yan, dito na kami mga kasison sa Branson. Branson, USA. Yan.
Rats.
Branson. Yan, tutor ko kayo dito sa Branson. Branson, USA. Yan. Ito na yun mga ka-seasons, yung Branson.
Rats.
Ayan, ganito siya. Yan, ganyan.
Stay green, stay green, stay green, stay green, stay green.
Yan, Stay Grain. Branson, USA.
Turn.
Yan mga ka-seasons, nagantay kami kasi stoplight. Yan, ganyan siya. Patungas. Mutungas mi og bungtod. Yan na, go na. Ayan siya, ang ganda ng mga ano bulaklak dyan. Oh, nakikita nyo yan mga ka-seasons. Ang ganda ng mga flowers. Yan. Yan. Yan siya. Branson.
It ain't too busy here.
Yan. At yan.
If it was very busy, it'd be bumper to bumper.
Yan mga ka-seasons. Yan. Ito na yung Branson.
There's your Dixie Dolly Parton Stampede.
Yan. Stampede. Dito kami pumunta. Yan. Yan. Table Rock Coffee Roaster. Yan. Ganyan siya. Skate World. T-shirts, souvenirs. All-time photo. Yan. Quality Inn. Hotel yan. Music City. Yan.
Farmer Day, Famous Day.
Ito yung Grand Country. Grand Country. Yan. Outback.
This is a very good time
Yeah.
to come. 'Cause there's
Yeah.
no traffic.
Ganyan siya. Ganyan mga ka-seasons. Yan. Branson,
Oh, my,
USA.
roll up to New Siena.
Yan. Taco Bell. Yan. Yan siya mga ka-seasons. May Walmart din dito. Branson Mall. Yan, may McDonald's din sila. Yan, roller coaster. Yan, roller coaster. That one. Oh. Yan. Yan, mga ka-seasons. Yan. Ayan, big chicken. Laki ng chicken.
It's a big chicken.
Yeah.
That is a big chicken.
Windmill. Oh, windmill. Truck. Oh, yan. Kita nyo yan, mga ka-seasons. Yan, mga palaruan ng mga bata. Ayan. Woody. Dockside. Thousand Hills. Boardwalk. All time photos. All time photos. Yan. Yan yung ano, octopus. Aquarium. Octopus. Yan, Grand Village. Wonderworks in Branson. Wonderworks. O, tingnan nyo yan kung gaano yan kaganda. Gaano kaganda. Starbucks. Yan. Punta tayo sa
King
other
Kong.
side. King Kong. May King Kong dito, mga ka-seasons. Yan, si King Kong.
Bad ape.
King Kong.
That's where we're
Yeah.
going to eat supper.
Cheddar.
Cheddars.
Cheddars.
Broccoli cheese casserole.
Yan, oh.
Very
Music
Very nice.
Road Mall. Yan si King Kong, mga ka-seasons. Yan si King Kong. Ito yung ano to? OMG, wow. Yan. Yan siya, mga ka-season.
Titanic.
Titanic. Ayan, Titanic. Titanic, oh. Titanic. Yan, Titanic, mga ka-seasons. Yan, yan yung Titanic. Yan. Pink Jeep Tours. Yan. Pink Jeep Tours. Yan, oh. Ferris wheel. Ferris wheel dyan. Yan, mga ka-seasons.
Ruby Tuesday.
Yan, mga ka-seasons, ang ganda dito. Ang ganda, lalo na may dala kayong mga bata. Yan, Domino's. Domino's, yan, Ferris wheel yan. Yan, ito oh. Yan, mga palaruan yan dyan lahat. Yan. Yan. O, kita nyo yan? O, yan, ang ganda. Mga palaruan sa mga bata, oh. O, sobrang ganda dito, mga ka-seasons, oh. Sobrang ganda dito. Branson, USA. Ice cream. Ice cream. Yan. Dami-daming ano dito mapuntahan, lalo na yung mga bata. Ma-enjoy talaga sila dito pag pumupunta. Yan.
Whitewater.
Whitewater.
We're going to go there as soon as they open.
Ah, they are not yet open.
Now, be
Yeah,
another
Whitewater.
Probably another month. Sometime in June
Ah.
when it gets good and hot.
Yan. Bigfoot. Bigfoot. Crab Mall. Yan. Ito, hotel to. Yan, hotel ito dyan. Maraming mga turista din pumupunta dito. Mga turista. Yan, Olive Garden. Yan, pababa siya. Pababa dyan. Ito pa, pataas. Yan. Ganda ng view. Ganda ng view.
Silver
Yan,
Dollar
mga
City.
ka-seasons. The Butterfly Palace, Rainforest. Yan.
Silver Dollar City.
Yan, ganda. Ang ganda,
Don't
mga
tell me
ka-seasons.
that
Yan, Silver Dollar City. Ito na yung Silver Dollar City. Yeah. We just walk. Exercise.
Yeah.
Yeah, Silver Dollar City. Tingnan nyo guys, mga ka-seasons. Yan, Silver Dollar City ang
$10 for one water.
Yeah, ito na kami. Naglalakad papunta doon. Di na tayo bibili-bili dito kasi mahal. Mahal, my love.
Yeah.
Yeah. Expensive.
See, all this here's full
Mm-mm.
when it's busy.
So a lot of people going
Oh
here.
yeah, hundreds of thousands.
Oh, it's look like a lot. Oh my God.
Thousands of people.
Oh, they are walking on the trails going there.
Yeah, I'm not gonna.
Season we're going to pay here, Silver Dollar City. Here's the payment boat, and then yeah, people will go there and going outside. Are the tickets of Silver Dollar City good for 1 day, 2 days, and 3 days? That is their payment and going inside. Yeah, ito yung first destination namin. Papunta kami doon sa loob. Papunta kami doon sa loob. Ito yun.
Sit down.
Yan, ito yun. Ito yun. Ito yung nasa loob nila. Ayan yan, mga ano, mga damitan. Meron din sila dito. Yung mga souvenirs. Yan. Hinaan ko lang yung boses ko ha. Pero alam ko maririnig nyo naman ako. Yan. Ang ganda ng entrance nila dito. Yan. Ganda ng entrance. Yan. We're going down, enjoying the view.
Yeah, we're just exploring the city.
Yeah. Silver Dollar City. Yan. Ito siya sa loob. Silver Dollar City.
Here's the toll bridge.
Yan. Yan. Ito yung bridge nila. Yan. Bridge. Yan. Punta kami doon sa baba. This one, Blown Glass Factory.
Long red glass.
Blown Glass Factory. Yan.
Pretty amazing how they do that.
Yeah. Yan. Hers look like. Hers look like. Maraming tao mga ka-seasons. Maraming tao dito.
Go in here.
So, yan sa loob. Time traveler. Time traveler. Yan, we go down. Yan.
Let's try this one.
Baba kami doon.
Then we'll ride the time cat ride. It's fun.
Yan. Ito yung pangalan niya. Yan.
What's your favorite flavor?
Wait, my love. Thunderation. Punta kami doon. Thunderation.
Oh, it was cool.
Bawal pala cellphone dito eh. Hindi kami makagamit ng cellphone. Habang sasakay doon. Dito na naman kami. Thunderation. Oh my God.
This is time
Daming tao.
travel. Here's the better one.
Silver Dollar City. Silver Dollar City. Have fun today. Fun today. Other side here. Sideways. Ito yung Silver Dollar City. Dito kami ng asawa ko namamasyal. Silver Dollar. It's a fun day today. Saturday. Kasi pagbalik namin doon, bukas, magsimba kami. Sunday, always go to church. Every Sunday.
Yeah.
Yan, Silver Dollar City. Yan, ganyan siya. Mga ka-seasons. Yan siya, oh. Mga souvenirs yan. Souvenirs. Yan. Silver Dollar City.
Part of it's living.
Yeah. Yeah.
Part of it's living.
Yeah, that part. 500 feet below. 500 feet below.
Amazing.
Here's the way. Ito yung daanan papunta doon sa baba. Ayan. 500 steps papuntang baba. Waterfall. Yeah, that's waterfall. Waterfall sa unit. Ganyan siya. Ganyan siya. Galing sa taas. Ganyan siya. Ayan, ganyan. Ganyan siya. Ayan, pababa. Pababa kami ganyan. Ganyan siya. Pababa. Ayan. Yung ibo. Ayan. Ganyan siya yung dinadaanan namin. Yung nibto. Yung mga ano, mga ka-seasons. Domestic faucets.
It's a strenuous crawl and you're miserable the whole time. You're freezing cold. This is water the whole way, and it's in the 4 degrees. It's 4 degrees water. We went back to this last fall. You played with that trip that was kind of like so when it gets here. How fun of a trip that can be sometimes. It's one of the most strenuous caving trips a lot of us have ever done before. And a lot of people went on experienced cavers and these things. Come on, guys. Anyone else keep track of dinosaurs through the cave?
Yeah.
Oh, there's more. Are you talking about this room alone? If you come back tomorrow, you'll see a 26th dinosaur. His name is Dave. He's worked here since 1992. He's still here today. These are living fossil. Come on, guys. Keep squeezing all in. We also used to have a band in this room back in the 1960s. You the last one? I don't know. It's not. Get the. I hope so. Maybe you can take the next 30 minutes.
On your right-hand side in a moment, you'll see another train go down past us, and that's pulling us up right now. This train is ran on a counterbalance system. When one train goes down, it pulls the other one up. We are now at the halfway point. Okay, I got a question for you guys. Do you know why you do not find Batman inside of our cave? That's because we're the Marvel Cave. He's a DC character. I'm there all weekend, guys. Up ahead on your left, you'll see a stack of railroad ties. 300 people on the railroad ties where the shoe room is. You're on top of Big Toes right about now. And we're now making our final set above the Grand Amphitheater. This big old hill in front of us. Down below is where you took those photographs with your friends and families. Those photos will be available to you on the train. Encourage you all to take a look at least. If you enjoyed the tour today, had yourself a good time. My name is Brian. If you didn't like it, had a rival time, well, my name is Leroy. I'll be up top either way, show you some cool photographs, answer more questions you guys might have for me. I truly appreciate it.
Hi mga ka-4 Seasons! Maraming salamat sa pag-subscribe sa channel ko. At kung hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe, please like, share, and subscribe my channel, The 4 Seasons Vlog. At pakiring na rin sa bell button para updated kayo sa channel ko. Maraming salamat, daghang salamat, palad-palad tibaan. Thank you all.